Welcome back, Buy Smart fam! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a head-to-head comparison of the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Whether you're into high-resolution prints or blazing fast speeds, we've got you covered. Let's kick things off with the price. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes in at around $399. It's a bit on the pricier side, but many reviewers feel it's worth every penny for the quality it delivers. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is more budget-friendly at about $299. Reviewers love that it offers excellent value without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk speed. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 can print up to 70 mm per hour, which is decent for most tasks. However, the Creality Ender-3 V3 steals the show with its mind-blowing speed of 500 mm per second and 8,000 mm per square second acceleration. Reviewers are thrilled with how quickly they can complete projects with the Ender-3 V3. Quality matters, and the ELEGOO Saturn 3 shines with its 12K mono LCD and a resolution of 11,520*5120. Reviewers rave about the high level of detail it achieves, making it perfect for intricate designs. The Creality Ender-3 V3 offers a precision-focused design with 0.1 mm printing accuracy. Users appreciate its balance of speed and quality, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. When it comes to build volume, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 offers a generous 218.88 mm, 122.88 mm, 250 mm space, which reviewers find ample for larger projects. The Creality Ender-3 V3 doesn't specify its exact build volume here, but its speed and precision make it a versatile choice for various project sizes. User experience is crucial, and the ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software and excellent customer service, with reviewers praising its ease of use. The Creality Ender-3 V3 features a touch UI screen, real-time model preview, and supports phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive printing. Reviewers love its smart features and ease of setup. When it comes to filament versatility, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is a standout, handling a range of materials like Hyper-PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA. Reviewers appreciate this flexibility for various projects. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 focuses on resin, which is ideal for high-detail prints, but less versatile in material options. Overall, reviewers find the ELEGOO Saturn 3 excels in high-resolution printing and ease of use, making it a premium choice for detailed projects. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is celebrated for its speed, versatility, and value, making it a favorite for quick, high-quality prints. So which 3D printer should you go for? If you're all about that high resolution and don't mind a slightly higher price, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 is your go-to. But if you want speed, versatility, and a budget-friendly option, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is your new best friend. Either way, you're winning with both these bad boys. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart videos. Let us know in the comments which printer you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.